Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Aisell. I'm so happy you're here today because what we're going to learn can literally change the way you speak English forever. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to say a simple sentence in English, but the person in front of you looked completely confused? You knew the words, you studied for years, but somehow the sentence didn't sound right. That's exactly what happened to one of my students in a job interview. He wanted to say, "I still work there," but he panicked. He said, "I am leave," "I lived," "I am work." The interviewer didn't understand, and he lost the job, not because of vocabulary, but because of tenses. This is the problem millions of learners face every single day. You say, "I am need coffee," instead of "I need coffee." You say, "I am come from Egypt," instead of "I come from Egypt." And every time people look confused, you feel embarrassed and your confidence drops. But here's the good news. If you master just one tense, the present simple, you will fix more than half of these mistakes. And today, in this episode, we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to tell you a story, a real story, about Alex, a learner just like you living in New York City. Through his daily routine, you'll see how present simple works naturally. And here's the twist. I'm not just telling you the story. You're going to practice with me. I'll ask you questions, you'll answer out loud, and together we'll make sure you never confuse "I work" with "I am working" again. So let's dive into Alex's Monday. Alex is 28 years old. He lives in New York City with 2 roommates. On Monday mornings, his alarm rings at 6:30. He wakes up, takes a quick shower, brushes his teeth, and gets dressed. He doesn't eat a big breakfast. He makes instant coffee and eats toast with peanut butter. His roommate Maria cooks scrambled eggs, but Alex doesn't have time. At 7:20, he leaves the apartment, walks to the subway, and takes the train. The ride is crowded, but Alex uses the time to practice English on his phone. At 8:15, he arrives at Giovanni's restaurant. He works as a prep cook. He chops onions, tomatoes, peppers, prepares chicken, and makes marinara sauce. It's hard work, but he likes it. His boss, Marco, speaks Italian and English, so Alex must use English all day. 6 months ago, this was scary. He made many mistakes, but now he understands most things. He still makes mistakes, but he improves every week. At 12, the lunch rush begins. Orders come fast. The kitchen is hot and loud. Alex moves quickly, focused. At 2, he takes a break, eats pasta with meatballs, and rests. His shift ends at 6. But on Mondays, he doesn't go home. He goes to the community center for English class. Ms. Johnson, his teacher, is patient but strict. No Spanish, only English. They practice routines. Do you have a job? Yes, I do. Do you like your job? Yes, I like it. Alex feels good. 6 months ago, he didn't understand, but now he can answer confidently. At 8:30, class ends. Alex buys rice, chicken, and vegetables on the way home. At 9:15, he cooks fried rice, shares it with Maria, and does his homework. He writes sentences. I wake up at 6:30. I take the subway. I work at Giovanni's restaurant. At 10, he calls his mother. Good, Mama. I work hard. I study English. At 10:30, he goes to bed, sets his alarm, and prepares for Tuesday. This is Alex's Monday. Simple, honest, hard work. And this is present simple, the tense of routines, facts, and truths. Now it's your turn. I'll ask you questions. You answer out loud. Don't be shy. Your mouth needs to move. That's how you learn. What time does Alex wake up? He wakes up at 6:30. Does Alex eat a big breakfast? No, he doesn't. Where does Alex work? He works at Giovanni's restaurant. Does Alex drive to work? No, he doesn't. He takes the subway. Who is Alex's boss? Marco is his boss. Does Marco speak Spanish? No, he doesn't. He speaks Italian and English. What time does Alex finish work? He finishes at 6. Does Alex go home after work? No, he doesn't. He goes to English class. Perfect. You just practiced present simple with real sentences. Now let's make it personal. Do you wake up at 6:30 like Alex? Do you study English every day? Do you cook at home? Answer out loud. And here's your challenge. Write a short story in the comments using present simple. Tell me about your daily routine. Aisell will read your stories and maybe share them in the next episode. Remember the rules. He, she, it gets the S. Alex works, Maria cooks. After don't or doesn't, no S. He doesn't work, she doesn't cook. Questions use do or does. Does he work? Do you study? If you master these, you'll sound clear, confident, and natural. And here's the hook for next time. We're going back in time. Episode 24 will be about past simple. What happened when Alex first arrived in New York? How did he survive his first day at the restaurant? You'll finally understand the difference between I work and I worked. So don't miss it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with a friend who needs English. Practice a little every day, just like Alex. Even when it's hard, even when you're tired, keep going. And one last true story, one of my old students told me, 2 years ago, I couldn't order coffee in English. Today, I'm a manager at an American company. What changed? She said, I stopped trying to be perfect. I started with present simple. Confidence followed. Everything else became easier. That could be you. Master present simple. Watch what happens. See you in the next episode.